I want to ask you also, Attorney, regarding former Secretary Manuel Manny Bonoan, that he is being eyed as a state witness in connection to this flood control cases. And this move has raised legal and ethical questions. So, in your point of view, dapat ba, tama ba na siya ay state witness dito sa usapin ng flood control projects?
Well, may I correct you on that, Angela? Hindi lang flood nito. Ginawa na eh. There's already
Yes.
a motion to discharge him.
Yeah.
So, an ethical point of view, huwag nating santuhin si Secretary Bonoan. Kasama siya sa nangurakot eh.
Exactly.
That's clear. So, hindi siya yung santo. Yung kumbaga, naghudas siya doon sa kasama niyang mga magnanakaw, to put it bluntly, di ba? Kasi nga nakasuhan ito eh. Maswerte siya na nakumbinsi o kaya he was willing to tell the whole truth. So, on a legal point of view, if you look at the Witness Protection Program, hindi naman siya disqualified. Kasi ang nakalagay dun sa kwan, pwede kang state witness as long as you're not one of the most guilty.
Least guilty ka.
Oo, hindi, it's not least guilty. You're not one of the most guilty. So,
Yeah.
you can be more guilty than the others. For example, he's more guilty than the COA auditors who turned a blind eye o tumanggap ng konti, hindi na nag-report. So, but it does not mean to say you're the least guilty as long as you're not one of the most guilty. So far, mukhang hindi naman siya.
Pasok
diba?
yun.
But I think it is a very strategic win for the ombudsman or for the government, for the prosecution, to get him as a state witness. Why is that? Kasi itong mga USEC, yung mga district engineer, sasabihin nila, hindi ko alam yan. Hanggang alam ko lang, Bulacan. Yung nakawan all over the country eh.
Right.
For the secretary, he cannot say that na hindi ko alam. Dapat alam niya, legally and theoretically and logically, lahat ng transaction, the buck stops at the table of the DPWH secretary. So he's competent to testify not only of the corruption in Bulacan, Mindoro, Davao, everything, every district of this country. And he should have the documents and the records to corroborate his statement. So, very strategic siya. Ang importante lang dito, nabantayan natin, ibabalik ba niya yung ninakaw niya? Kailan at magkano
Yun
yan?
nga
Will he tell the whole truth or selective na naman? He cannot wiggle too much away from that too much because dapat alam niya lahat. So hindi niya pwedeng hanggang Bulacan lang ako, hanggang Negros lang ako. He cannot do that. So, at sangkot din siya eh. Pwede rin siyang balikan, i-reinstate yung kaso laban sa kanya at ipapakulong dun siya kung hindi niya sasabihin lahat. So, makita natin yan, bantayan natin, let's be vigilant, let's see what the ombudsman will really do with him. But I think he's legally competent, he's legally not disqualified to be a witness, and I think it's a strategic achievement na pumapayag siya. Ang bantayan na lang natin, pepremyohan ba siya, hindi ba ibabalik yung ninakaw niya o dapat ibabalik din? At the same time, will he tell the whole truth and produce the corroborating documents and records which a secretary should have?